In this video, I'll show you how you can join YouTube TV Family Plan. Now to do this, there are three things that you need to consider. First of all, everyone that you invite to the family must be, or at least on their Google account, must have above the age of 13. And also, you can only change your family plan once a year, and you can only have one family plan. So just keep that in mind. And also, the last thing is that everyone that you invite to the family plan must have the same address as the family manager. So on the Google account, it will say the address. It must have the same address from it there. Now, I'll show you how you can quickly do this. So if you're the family manager, you just want to sign in to your account, click on your account and go to settings, family sharing, go to manage, and then you just want to type the email or phone number of the person you want to invite. Once you've sent this, they're gonna get either the email or text message, depends on which you put in up here. They're gonna get a link and they just want to click on the link. Once they've got that, they're gonna get to a page and they just have to follow some instructions and then they'll be good to go. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.